Today we are going to learn how to remove harsh shadows in Photoshop. So open up the channels tab and hold the Ctrl or Command and click on RGB. This makes a selection of the bright areas, but we want just the opposite. Come back to layers and then press Ctrl Shift I Windows or Command Shift I if you are using a Mac. This inverts the selection and then press Ctrl or Command J. This makes a copy of whatever is selected. Now change the blend mode of this one from normal to screen. Now screen is a blend mode which brightness up strafe. This brightness up the whole photo including the shadows. So let's create a negative mask by holding Alt or Option, click on the mask button, and then all you have to do with the help of a brush, a soft brush. Make sure the foreground color is white. Just paint on shadows areas. You don't have to be super accurate about this, but this brings back shadows from the dead very quickly in Photoshop. So there you go.